I'd love to get your take on what potential risks you see that people might not be talking about, might not be paying attention to. But to Maria's point, for example, if all these confirmations actually get in or all the nominations are confirmed and it becomes apparent in the first quarter of next year that maybe Republicans aren't all rowing in the same direction, does that potentially set us up for some investor panic that could lead to a sell-off?
It could. Look, if we've pull a chapter right into January, for that matter, we see some selling early January, really more like tax loss. Again, if you have NVIDIA, Palantir, and you're way up, well, you're not going to sell now and pay taxes April 15th. You would sell in January wait for April 2026. But again, there's a lot of cross currents. Most of it is positive, but then again, it could stoke inflation. I mean, pro-growth is great. I mean, look at Atlanta Fed. It's probably the most accurate predictor of all the Fed governors. They're seeing 3.2% in this quarter. That shows a reacceleration. Now we've added a little fuel to it. Again, good fuel. Maybe the back half of this year we're talking about Fed hikes, not Fed rate cuts, and that's one of the concerns, I think. And to your point, sell the news. It's possible, but again, I think it would be more tax-related. I think everybody wanted change at this point. We're seeing that change, and overall, it's positive. You'll have those technical corrections, but the fundamentals are still very, very sound.